Hi, my name is Nick Worrell. I'm with Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today's tutorial will be on creating a WebShare. As you can see, we've got a project open here. As we look at it in 3D, the project itself has quite a lot of measurements. We can quickly turn those measurements off. They are still there, just invisible to us. And you can see we've also got a clip box created. The clip box is going to be very important because when we do any sort of scanning interior of a building, we create a WebShare, we are going to have a top-down view of our environment. And as you can see, with the top-down view of the interior of a, in this case, room, all we're going to see is the ceiling. Therefore, we want to go ahead, use the clip box, and just simply melt the ceiling down, the points down to eliminate the ceiling, but in this case we want to keep the cabinets, which are the focus of our scan. We simply go up and we want to compress, clean and compact our project. Now what's very important in this case is once we compact the project, we lose all of our previous revisions. So in any case, be sure that anything that you plan on doing or plan on editing is done, because you will lose all chances to go back and pull up one of your old revisions. So we'll quickly do this. Again, our history will be lost. Now that we've compacted our file, we're going to just quickly go to the top button here that says Create WebShare. We simply click on this, and our option box loads. The first option is going to be whether we want to export colored images, grayscale images, or both, and in this case we are going to export both. The overview map settings you will see in the next scene. Generally the background color is white, and in this case that will be fine. What's important here is we want to apply the clipping box that we've just created and melted away the roof line of this room. Once we apply this here, we're going to hit OK and let it do its thing. Once we save this revision, now that the WebShare has been created, we can go ahead and back out of our project. Once we open the project again, we will have an option as seen here, the scene WebShare. So we will open the WebShare. Now, this is the WebShare layout that your customer will see if you choose to do a WebShare to go. As you can see in the top left hand corner, we have previews of the scans that we created. We double click on any of these and we can, in corner here we have the top down view that we created. Now we can see right down into the room because we did eliminate the roof line with our clip box. Now any of these windows that we want to take a look at, we can expand and take a look at anything that we would like in these windows. Also, give it a description. We can create links. We can bring in the report that you've created on another computer, photos, anything that you need to. Once we name this particular spot, we hit OK. As you can see, we can have a short description, we can have a full report, photos, whatever needs to be embedded will be actually embedded in. We can shrink this window down, go to the next scan, and in the next scan, as we spin around, you can